Morning, sir. My name Berlian Tamunan, NIM 183306020054. Best wishes to all of us, especially Sir Rudi Sinulinga, SPD MPD. Today, I'm here to deliver a speech about education. Education is included a legacy, whether it's a legacy of a value or a legacy science. Education is needed when a man realizes that he needs to use all the potential he has, both physical and spiritual. It was to deepen his life, the potential he's around and its needs having. For a young man, education is important, such a navigator or a guide to him to answer questions about how to navigate his life in the world. It's hard to imagine humans following instinct alone. He doesn't know what's good and what's bad. In principle, there are four main functions of education: socialize, interrogation of social, placement of social, and innovation. When children are expected to be able to live independently in later society, then values and norms that prevail in society must be passed on to children. These four are common functions inherent in the philosophy of education. Understanding the function of education can help its learner reflect on the educational activity he or she has been involved in. But in the days of COVID-19 pandemic, today education was largely hampered in elementary school education through college education. Due to current pandemic, we are expected to keep our distance from the others. Thus, in education have replaced learning and teaching system with the online system of its school. And this is very difficult for student as well teacher, where in the period of time teachers are expected to be more creative and delivering material to give to students. And here students are expected to be more independent in order to understand what the teacher tells them. During this time of the pandemic, it was necessary to contribute enormously to parent participation to improve child learning. And because of this type pandemic, education is severely limited in delivering material to students and teachers who are expected to be more creative, and parents are expected to be a great participant in teaching children at home. And this has led to further education in Indonesia, where a few educators who are unfamiliar with technology. Now the education system are being implemented online to reduce meeting with others on the education system was changed. And this online education system is so limited and difficult to implement in some part of Indonesia, especially for students living in remote areas where their signal are difficult to connect with the teacher while giving the material, and and especially when the student having a test and all of student the signal service weren't supporting. I think the absence of this pandemic is absolutely sweeping across the fabric of life, especially the fields of education, where this is very damaging to student and teacher. And I hope this pandemic may be over soon, because this is very costly in human life, especially in the field of education, because we know the education is the one of the right paths of pathway for women to know how they will live this life better and know what their future will be. Well, thank you for your attention. I think that's all I can say in my speech today. Thank you.